What is Rigid Flex PCB? Rigid Flex printed circuit boards are boards using a combination of flexible and rigid board technologies in an application. Most rigid flex boards consist of multiple layers of flexible circuit substrates attached to one or more rigid boards externally and/or internally, depending upon the design of the application. The flexible substrates are designed to be in a constant state of flex and are usually formed into the flex curve during manufacturing or installation. Rigid Flex PCBs fabrication applications. Rigid Flex PCBs offer a wide array of applications, ranging from smart devices to cell phones and digital cameras. Increasingly, rigid flex board fabrication has been used in medical devices such as pacemakers for their space and weight reduction capabilities. The same advantages for rigid flex PCB usage can be applied to smart control systems. In consumer products, rigid flex doesn't just maximize space and weight but greatly improves reliability, eliminating many needs for solder joints and delicate, fragile wiring that are prone to connection issues. These are just some examples, but rigid flex PCBs can be used to benefit nearly all advanced electrical applications including testing equipment, tools and automobiles. Advantages of rigid flex PCBs. Space requirements can be minimized by applying 3D. By removing the need for connectors and cables between the individual rigid parts. The board size and overall system weight can be reduced. By maximizing space, there is often a lower count in parts. Fewer solder joints assure higher connection reliability. Handling during assembly is easier in comparison with flexible boards. Simplified PCB assembly processes. Integrated zip contacts provide simple modular interfaces to the system. Environment. Test conditions are simplified. A complete test before installation becomes possible. Logistical and assembly costs are significantly reduced with rigid flex boards. It is possible to increase the complexity of mechanical designs, which also improves the degree of freedom for optimized housing solutions.